Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Perfect Analyst. So today I came up with another problems in the series of Power BI DAX. So today we are going to learn about finding top 5 rows from a table. So if you have a Power BI datasets with table having product name or brand name, you have product ID, you have order ID, and for each order ID you have the data like invoice date and many other columns. Suppose it is being asked or you have been asked to create a table for first 5 rows from the table. So how to do that? The problem here is you have already a table, and from that table you have to create another table, and you need to take the top 5 rows. Here top 5 rows a bit confusing. So this top 5 rows is not based on any sales, or it's not based on any column, whether it's a total sales or profit. So it's just the top 5 rows. It means from the top first 5 rows. You can see here, you can able to see this is your main table and this is your output. Okay, so if you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 rows I only want the 5 rows from the main table. So how to do that? It is a very simple function you have to use here, that is called top n function. Though the top n functions also can be used for many various purpose. In this case, I just want to know the first 5 rows. Okay, top n function can be used in based on the total sales also. It also create a table where you can able to find top selling product based on their sales. That can also be used, but first I would like to make you understand about the simple case of top n function, how to use it. Okay, so it's very simple. Here you have a table with different information, and you want to create another table from the main table where you have to show the first 5 rows. I hope it is clear. So let's get into deep. Let's go to the Power BI desktop and I will show you how to do that. So I hope you are able to see my desktop, Power BI desktop. So we are going to solve this problem. So need to create one more table here. Click on new table, and I need to create one more table where I want to show the top 5 rows. It means the first 5 rows. Top 5 rows I can say. So I will use the function called top n function. As I said before, top n functions can be used in various problems. It is not only throw only the first 5 rows. It will also show the top rows based on certain sales or certain profit. Okay, by descending order of profit or ascending order of profit. That can also be used, but that is a little bit complex now. First you try to understand about top n function, very simple function to take the first 5 rows. Here I am going to use n value. N value means I will just give 5 because I want the first 5 rows. Then I will just use sales data. Okay, it means within that table I want the first 5 rows, and if I enter here, it will give me first 5 rows from the table. Now how to compare? Just compare this total sales here, 2750,000, this 5, right? We have product ID, and this is your invoice date. So this data will match here. If we'll go here, sales data, and this is the first row, second row, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this 5 rows up to this 4250, it is showing in new table. Okay, this is a very simple top and function I have explained. What about the complex one? We'll have a separate video for that. So I'll just give a hint that in the next video what we'll learn. Let's say you want the top 5 product based on the total sales, not the top 5 rows or not the first 5 rows. So in that case you have to use the order by expression. Okay, means the conditions, which column, based on which column you want to create the top 5 or top 10. So I will use here total sales. Okay, total sales means this column. Based on this total sales, I want the first 5 rows or the top 5 rows. Close it and enter. It will give different result here, right? Here, if you can notice here, it is not 5. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 rows, right? Why it is 6 rows? Because here the 8250, right? 8250 two times present. That's why it has given 6 rows. So how to do this type of problems? There is another method to use the rank x function, so which we'll be discussing in the next video. When you are creating any top 5 product or top 10 products based on the sales profit, right? At that time the DAX function will be little complex, and I just wanted to show you first the use of top n function, then we can go with the rank x function. I hope it is very clear, and if you have any queries you can able to write a comments and I will be happy to answer. Thank you so much.